Hello guys, this one is sad one. The 12 years old boy wey you and I know say police rather as they talk and say mistakenly shoot the other day wey papa drive pass one way. They shoot and the bullet can go meet the pikin for back. He come by. Since when this thing happen na 1 week a day so, Nigerians are silent. You see why where will they go for this country? Long. I will have more to say. But let's watch this video. The plight of a Nigerian, Randy Peters, and other people. Then I have something to say. Let's watch this together.
Nigerians, I take God beg una. Share apart from say government is bad. We ourselves as Nigerians, are we ready to put value on our own life? Wetin exactly go need to happen to Nigerians before it go motivate us to get up, demand justice for ourselves, so that our lives too can have value and we can build a better society and country for ourselves? I beg you, Inspector General of Police Chief Kayode Egbetokun, Nigerian police and all of us, everybody will be Nigerians. Everybody there for this country, we dey on social media where we see news last week Tuesday. Say a father carry in children, one of the pikin they go right to WAEC, the other two were there for back seat, Kehinde and Taiwo, they even be twins with other people where they the motor. Police officer fire bullets, enter the car, kill the pikin. I purposely did not make a video that Tuesday because I know saying our usual pattern. If something happen, everybody, hey. Before you know, everywhere keep quiet, nothing will happen again. Today is Monday, tomorrow is 1 week since that issue. No statement from police on exactly, okay, this is the findings and how do we move forward to ensure that this incident no happen again. Because this is an incident that is one so many. Where don't they happen for this country? If you watch that video, you go observe, say, many people get fault. Even the father, they drive the motor, he was reckless. But the truth of the matter and the question where we as Nigerians supposed to ask, we say, which country in 2025 civilized nation is still handling issues of traffic offenses with firearms or big guns? Which country still they handle issue of traffic offenses? This incident no happen for highway where you go talk say okay maybe na a active shooter situation, maybe the mistake for kidnapper, because even the ultimate the other traffic officers where they there one been don't open the door, look say people there, their children they lock them, they don't even snap the plate number that they record, yet a police officer still felt that the best way to handle that case was to fire arm. Today, the 14-year-old boy don't die. In body day for morgue. This incident happened within inside Ibadan metropolis for your state. No be say happen for highway where maybe they think say na kidnapper or armed robber, so the person they try to escape. Now the boy don't die. Everybody don't keep quiet. Nobody go talk say how do we handle issues of traffic moving forward in a way that keeps everybody safe. For this same country, Nai House of Reps last year, they don't pass bill for second reading to allow road safety to bear firearms. Federal road safety, now their name be that too, but we are planning to give them more guns. Nigeria's response to having traffic issues is to release firearms to officers that are not properly taking care of their welfare. It's not okay. Some of them psychologically are not stable. At the end of it, it is the constant killing of innocent Nigerians. According to the interview, they said the last words of that boy was that daddy, they have shot me. Nothing they motivate Nigerians to come out to protest for anything. The 2022, it was lawyer where police kill for a pregnant woman. Everybody, that one don't go, their family don't carry their own. December last year now for Delta, they say because of Christmas banger, police kill one boy for their 17-year-old boy. That one don't go. So waiting with the wait for now the next person where another stray bullet go kill, all of us go come out for social media, hey yeah. Nigerians, shall we mean well for ourselves like this? So nothing they motivate us to wake up and come together and demand justice. 2020, when they killed George Floyd, where police officer pressed his neck for US till he died, it sparked protests all over. Everybody, I can't breathe. The words of this boy, daddy, they have shot me, supposed to they ring in the mind of everybody. A 14-year-old child. Nigerians, everybody will move forward. At the end, nothing will happen. This electoral reform why they talk so. Una think say maybe because we don't carry petition, go keep us signing online petition, they go come say, oh, you have tried, so we are going to give you electoral reform. If there is no mass protest to the National Assembly to occupy National Assembly, my dear, that petition is as good as dead. Nigerians, our collective action is needed. We must come together and fix this issue of government. The daily killing of citizens should not just be going by like nothing. Death of human being don't become ordinary data. May God give Nigerians courage and wisdom. This is not how a country should operate. May God comfort the family of that boy Kehinde Alade and grant Nigerians courage to wake up and fight for justice for our own lives, because it is not coming soon without our collective action. God bless Nigeria. My name is Peter for Nigeria.
Good. Comment tu fais là? Come on, little Lord. Yeah. Kolelo. Wait. Abeg. Abeg, shift for me. Ah, kò yẹ kó lọ bẹ̀ yẹn rárá. Àtúnwò tẹ́lẹ̀. Àtúnwò tẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n ló máa kú sí. Ah.
To be honest, my people, the way Nigerians they go silent, I don't know. Normally, as Randy Peters asked that question just now, where we want me they push us reach before we react? What's the extent? What's your limits? What is happening? As we speak, so Now so this matter will all die finish. You know the first day when something happened for Nigeria, now everybody they run the post. After 1, 2, 3 days, the whole thing will all die. Then we move on as usual. What do I know? This is Nigerian Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affected right now. Take care, guys, and bye for now.